Hey, this is Scott McMahan, Quake with Sport Talk and WGOW. Just want to let you guys know about my hip replacement surgery. It was amazing through the good folks at Center for Sports Medicine Orthopaedics and Dr. Jason Rogers. Their expert surgical team made it so quick and easy to get in, get out. And the biggest thing was I got to return home the same day. So that means I got to go home, hang out with the wife. She took care of me, and it was just an easy situation. You know, the minimal invasive techniques that are nowadays with the surgery is just so high tech and so solid. It was just a great experience. And really, the biggest thing was the rapid recovery time. I mean, just what Dr. Rogers told me was going to happen. He said, day 3, you're going to feel like this. Day 5, the nerve block wears off and you'll feel like this. Day 6, you'll have this. It went just the way he told me, and that was good. Anytime you're in a medical event or situation and you have a finish line where you know that by this day I'm going to be feeling better, by this day I'll be walking without a cane and a walker, it makes it so much easier mentally. So I just wanted to pass that along, how happy I have been with my experience with the Center for Sports Medicine and Dr. Jason Rogers and the entire team. It was fantastic.